Everyone wants to make more money, but picking the right products to promote as an affiliate can be a nightmare. Have you spent hours searching for products that just don't convert? You're not alone. Studies show 81% of affiliates quit in the first 6 months because they can't generate sales. Let's change that. Today you'll learn how to use artificial intelligence to maximize your affiliate earnings. No theory, just results. Meet João, a freelancer trying to boost his income with affiliate marketing. He spends nights browsing platforms, hunting for the next big product. Last month, he made only $20. Then there's Maria, a full-time employee looking to supplement her salary. She picks products that seem popular but have no real demand. Result? Frustration and wasted time. Carlos, a college student, is just starting in digital marketing. He signs up for dozens of affiliate programs but doesn't know where to begin. Lastly, Anna, an entrepreneur, has been trying affiliations for months. She promotes products without understanding her audience's needs. Her campaigns? Abysmal click rates. Now imagine flipping the script. Enter AnswerThePublic. This tool uses AI to spot search trends and helps you find products people actually want to buy. Think of AnswerThePublic as your private detective, analyzing what people are searching for online and handing it to you on a silver platter. With this, you go from shooting in the dark to being a sniper in product selection. Look at how Carlos used this technique. In 1 month, he went from $0 to $260 in commissions. Let's get down to business. First, access AnswerThePublic. You need a free account, which takes less than 2 minutes to set up. Once logged in, head to the search bar. Type best-selling products in your niche. Click search. In seconds, you'll have a list of topics and questions people are asking right now. This is pure gold. Now on to step 2, analyze the data. Look for frequently asked questions. For example, in the tech niche, you might find questions like, what's the best headset for working from home? This shows clear demand. Next, use this info to find matching products on affiliate platforms like Amazon or Hotmart. Copy the product name and paste it into the platform's search. Choose products with good reviews and high demand. This is crucial to ensure people actually buy. Step 4. Create content around these products. Articles, videos, social media posts, whatever you do best. Include affiliate links and use keywords you found on AnswerThePublic. This boosts your content's relevance and attracts more clicks. Step 5. Monitor your metrics. Use analytics tools to see which products are getting the most clicks and conversions. Adjust your strategies based on real data. Common mistake? Skipping the analysis phase and picking random products. This happens when you're in a rush. Don't fall for it. AnswerThePublic gives direction, but the final choice is yours. For those wanting to go further, an advanced variation is using Google Trends alongside AnswerThePublic. This gives you an even clearer view of trends. Type the same keyword into Google Trends and see if it's on the rise. If it is, that's a green light to invest in that niche. Now let's talk results. João, whom you met earlier, applied this strategy for a month. He focused on the health and wellness niche. Before, he made $20. With smart use of AnswerThePublic, he now makes $160 a month. Maria, after 6 months of wasting time, implemented the same method. In 3 months, her commissions hit $300. Check out Rafa, a digital entrepreneur struggling to find consistent products. He followed every step we discussed. In the first month, his commissions jumped by 300%. He focused on the gadgets niche, found high-demand products, and created YouTube video content. The kicker? He used AnswerThePublic questions as video titles. The result? A 30% increase in click-through rates. To wrap up, here are some extra tips. First, don't limit yourself to just one niche. Explore different markets and see where the data leads you. Another tip is to use AnswerThePublic to discover new, unsaturated niches. This puts you ahead of the competition. Now, the common pitfalls: the first mistake is not adjusting campaigns. If a product doesn't sell, switch it up. The second is choosing products without good reviews. Poorly rated products don't sell. The third is ignoring the creation of relevant content. Without content, no one clicks your links. If you've made it this far, it's time to act. Like, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments. In the next video, we'll teach you how to create email marketing campaigns that convert. No theory, just results.